smart kids, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Anna. Learning and play, learning and play. Yes, now we are going to continue to learn about the phonic sound. And we have the next sound. Ta-da! Do you know what sound is this? Yes, you're right. This is t, 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 t. Okay? Okay, let's say it together one more time and don't forget to do the movement. It's like you move your head forward and backward as you watch tennis game. Okay, let's do it together. T, 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 t. Good job. Okay, I have some pictures that start with t, t sound. But before I show you the picture, can you please tell me the object that you know that start with t, t, t sound? Good job, a tiger. Yes, you're right. T, 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 tiger. What else? Yes, a tree. T, 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 tree. Very good. What else? Exactly, a truck, a big truck. T, 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 truck. And what else? Yes, you're right, a cute teddy bear. T, 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 teddy bear. And then what else? Yes, you're right, the number 10. T, 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 10. Okay, now we are going to try to write the letter T sound t, t, t together. Okay, where is your pointer? Let's make the vertical line from the top and go down to bottom. And then now the horizontal line on top. Okay, one more time. Vertical and horizontal. Very good, kids. Okay, now we are going to practice to hear the sound of t, t, t. And please, you have to tell me the sound is in the beginning or in the middle or at the end of the word. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's do it. Okay, I have the first one. Listen carefully, okay? Okay, it's a hat. Hat. Okay, where is the t sound? Yes, you're right. It's at the end of the word. Good job. Next, I have tent. Tent. Where is the t sound? Yes, you're right. It's in the beginning and the end of the word. Yes, tent. Good job, kids. How about the next one? I have mat. Mat. Where is the t sound? Yes, you're right. It's at the end of the word. And the last one, I have table. A table. Where is the t sound? Yes, exactly. It's in the beginning of the word. T, 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 table. Yay! Well done, kids. You did well. Good job. Okay, now it's time for riddle.
Hi guys, it's riddle time. I am PL. Are you ready to play? This is a vehicle and it's very long. The sound is toot 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 toot. What it could be? Yes, you're right. It's a train. Yes, we did it, friends. Bye-bye. See you in the next riddle.
Alright, kids. Now let's review one more time, okay? What is the sound of this letter? T, 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 t. Very good. Let's do it one more time. Don't forget the movement. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. T, 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 t. Okay, very good. Now let's try to write the t One more time, okay? Finger, finger, pointer, pointer. Okay, let's do it together. T, 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 t. Good job. Okay, kids, that's all for today. See you next time for the next sound of the phonics. Bye-bye.